Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the device discoverable. That's the key. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are on and that the target device is powered and charged because low power can block pairing. Next, enable pairing mode on the device. Hold the designated button for 3-6 seconds until a light flashes or a tone sounds. Once done, keep both devices close. Interference kills connections, so move away from Wi-Fi routers or other active Bluetooth gadgets. You'll see the device appear in your phone's scan list. Select it promptly. If a PIN or code request appears, enter the default shown in the manual or confirm the matching number on both devices. This prevents man-in-the-middle issues. If the simple scan fails, open the manufacturer's companion app. Apps often streamline authentication. Once paired, the phone and device exchange keys so future reconnection is automatic. Make sure you accept any permission prompts for contacts or audio if relevant. You finish by testing functionality right away. Play audio, send a file, or toggle a control to confirm a stable link. If it disconnects or never pairs, unpair and reset the device, then repeat the exact pairing steps. Resets clear corrupted keys. Also, check for firmware updates on both device and phone. Outdated firmware often blocks unlocking. If problems persist, move away from crowded wireless environments and restart both devices. That simple step resolves most lingering issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.